In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Mailchimp. This guide will take you through each step, making the process simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, and upon logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Now from the main menu, find and click on Create. Then choose Survey. This is where all the fun begins as you start crafting a tool that will gather insights and opinions from your audience. Next, you'll be prompted to select a survey template. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates that cater to different needs, whether you're collecting customer feedback or measuring employee satisfaction. However, if you're feeling creative or have specific requirements, you can opt to start from scratch, allowing total control over the design and flow of your survey. Once you're set on a template or have decided to go the custom route, it's time to add questions. Mailchimp provides several options here, making it easy to gather the type of feedback you need. You can include multiple choice questions for straightforward responses, rating scales for measuring satisfaction or frequency, and open text fields for more detailed input. Consider the purpose of your survey to decide which types of questions are most appropriate. A mix of question types often yields the most comprehensive data. As you build your survey, take full advantage of the customization options available. You can tweak the design and adjust the settings to align perfectly with your brand's identity. This means selecting your brand colors, fonts, and adding a logo if necessary. All these elements come together to create a cohesive look that participants will instantly recognize as coming from your organization. With your survey design locked in, it's time to think about distribution. Mailchimp makes this step easy by allowing you to send out your survey through an email campaign. This option is excellent for reaching subscribers directly in their inbox. Alternatively, you can choose to embed the survey directly onto your website, making it accessible to a broader audience visiting your site. Once your survey is out in the world and responses start rolling in, Mailchimp's powerful reporting tools enable you to analyze the data easily. Take time to review the responses carefully, using the insights gained to inform decisions or improve strategies. Mailchimp